Alright guys, so we got a lot to talk about. The market tanked. Yes. Let me give you a cleaner chart. Market tanked. Bitcoin, Nasdaq, S&P, all the same. They all tanked. And I'm going to tell you why. It is because, let me get on TikTok live real quick. Hold on, guys. So I want this to be on TikTok as well. So, Iran is declaring war with Israel. So, I don't feel like I can't. Hold on. Let me silence these freaking phones, man. United States told Israel not participate in strikes. That was at 3. Says a massive conflict could happen soon in the Middle East. Okay? Now, Israel says it is launching preemptive strikes on Iran. Israel declares state of emergency after launching strikes on Iran. U.S. officials say the United States had no involvement in Israel's strikes on Iran. Israel preparing for a large-scale Iranian attack. Israel says it's striking dozens of military targets across Iran, including nuclear facilities. Man. Okay, so as you see, it's going down. They are not playing. Iran reportedly preparing to declare war on Israel. So, then you look at the crypto market. Luckily, what's crazy is, first look at the Coinbase One card that offers up to 4% Bitcoin buyback on every purchase. What? I'm gonna order one of those. Wow. American Express and Coinbase. Okay. So, what sucks is, if you guys see on TikTok, I posted, I shorted Bitcoin at like 107, somewhere in there. And I let it go here at 105, man. And I shorted Ethereum. And I let it go like here. Oh, man. Dude, I would have made so much more if I would have held that. But I didn't see I was out at the gym. I was running errands, went to the grocery store. I didn't see the Iran thing, man. I'm not going to lie. If I would have seen that news, I would have held those trades. So now what we got going on is the whole market's reacting to the Israel-Iran war. Major dump-offs. Crypto, stocks, everything. Major sell-offs. Yeah, I was in a short up here, but guess what? We can't, if I would have been home, I would have seen the post about the Israel thing. I would have held that. I'm telling you right now, I would have definitely held that. But that's a done deal trade. I already made the money on it. It's closed. It's done. This is the reality of trading sometimes. You can't play coulda, woulda, shoulda. It is what it is, right? So now, where are we, right? And, I mean, they're reacting to the news with Iran and Israel. But I don't think that Israel and Iran being at war is gonna keep the markets down forever, okay? Yes, it's a big deal, but it's something that they aren't like, it's not like the Europe is at war with China or something, or we're at war. Like, those would be major issues in the market, okay? It's not good that this happened. Oh. So you guys know why Caspa got hit so hard? Caspa is actually, this coin is in Israel or Iran, one or the other. I'd have to look it up, because this got, or actually I guess no, because we just started from here. I guess it didn't. Well, I don't know, that's a pretty big move. 16%, yeah, it did get hit pretty hard. So this morning, if you're on the lives, we took the longs. They're very short-lived. We got out of them, and then we went short, and we are now in some pretty key support zones on a lot of stuff right now. S&P, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, I mean, pretty much everything right now is at some pretty key levels, right? I don't think, like, I'm not saying go take longs or buys right now. If it's like a long-term investment type thing, spot trading, not leverage, sure. I mean, that's if you're dollar cost averaging, like, yeah, this is fine to buy some more dollar cost average on an investing standpoint. Now, when we're talking about leverage trading, we're talking about day trading. No, don't just start taking buys all of a sudden, because I don't know if the selling off is done. So we need to now wait and watch. I mean, we are talking about massive volume to the downside, and I don't know, we could be lining up for some good long plays. We could be, but I'm not for sure on that yet. Like hyper liquid, this one's not ready yet, I can tell you that. I think $35 hyper would be solid. If we can get down to 35, I think this is an amazing zone on hyper, which has just been, I mean, I've been telling you guys about this token. Just a month and a half ago, this token was 18 bucks. It just topped out at $44. And we aren't even done yet. We are not done yet. Like, meaning the bull run is we're not even close to being done. I mean, we've gotten a good chunk, but we haven't had the altcoin run yet. We got a lot more to come. If this is your first bull run, get ready, because it gets really crazy. It really does. And yeah, it's amazing. The outcome, you know, obviously no one can time the top perfectly. God, I'm just looking at all these trades that we marked up and hit. Like this one, such an easy breakout on the orb, easy play. That one right there. I like Sui. Sui's in a good spot right now, guys. Sui's definitely in a good spot. I mean, everything is. XRP, $2.10. I think if we can get XRP back down to 198, that'd be a really good spot. For you guys that don't know, the 190, 198 level, that has been like major support for XRP. Major. we did swipe it once when when Bitcoin went to 72K. We did swipe it, but obviously we came out of it quickly. But now, I mean, this is Bitcoin right now. We are getting a reaction off of this zone, but it's not showing me much. I mean, it's nothing to be all excited about. And I think we could come back down to 100K. On good news, Bitcoin has stayed above 100,000 for 30 consecutive days. Isn't that amazing? We have stayed above 100,000 for for 30 consecutive days, guys. Really good news. What I don't like, I'm going to show you right now, is we made a double top. We couldn't get back up to that, not yet, but the double top was a clear sign. Honestly, I remember the day that we were in longs, and something told me, like, we closed the longs, we got out of the trade, but something told me to then take a short, and I didn't. I really wish I would have, right? Because when you see a double top formed on something like the 4 hour or the 1 hour, the daily, it's a lot more stronger. Actually, this made a triple because 1, 2 came down, then came back up, made a triple top. Clear indication that we're not going to break. But another coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? You can't win them all, but you got to think someone out there has been holding a short. Because when we double topped up here, I was already thinking, when we started dropping like this, I was already thinking we're going to get back to 100K. And then that's going to be, but hopefully, this is what I'm hoping. I'm hoping we make a lower high, and then we shoot higher, 115, 120,000. If this holds and creates a lower high from here, that is a very, very, very good sign, okay? I want you guys to know that is a very good indication that we will continue. But right now it looks like it wants to short. If we look at NAS, or NQ I should say, we look like we were gonna, they almost look the same right now. But I really just want to make this video for you guys to let you know about what's going on in the market. There's a lot of craziness going on right now. You got California going all out. You got Israel and Iran going to war. It's getting pretty crazy. It really is. We have a lot. Oh. So it said nothing in Florida. World war alert. I wouldn't say, if Israel and Iran go at it, I would not call that like World War III. I mean, it depends. I mean, I guess it could. I mean, yeah. I mean, I guess it technically. I mean, it could be World War III, I guess, but it would need. I feel like the only thing stopping that, like, for me at least, my opinion is like this says, how will U.S., Russia, and China respond? Like, if another country steps in, boom, that's major. That's a World War III in my book. I mean, Iran and Israel have been going back and forth, you know. They were just beefing not even that long ago. And when the market saw a little reaction from that too, but Operation Rising Line targeting Iran's nuclear facilities in what it describes as a strike against Iran's nuclear weapon development. Explosions have been reported in Tehran, including at key nuclear sites. Like, the operation aims to counter Iran's alleged nuclear threats. The United States has clarified it is not involved in these strikes, emphasizing its focus on protecting America's forces. Yeah, we don't need to go get involved. We don't need to go get involved at all. I just hope we don't have, like, we do not need to have some type of World War III. We don't need to have a black swan event that just tanks the markets. This ain't gonna stop tonight, right? So we need to think, like, if this ain't gonna stop tonight, how do you think the stock market's gonna open tomorrow? Which then reflects on the crypto market, right? Yeah. We need a plan. We need to be safe. I would not take any trades tonight on anything. I mean, I was just looking at gold. Gold's booming. Because gold's the thing to dump in when... I'm just waiting for the day that Bitcoin is the number one thing to dump into. Like, gold's not even on their mind, you know? We are in a strong resistance level on gold right now. And we kind of broke up to it. I wouldn't short here. I think it's going to come for this all-time high. Especially with what's going on. Like, it broke above this. This is just a wick that is liquidating, taking out. I'd be shocked if gold all of a sudden shorts from there. Especially when you got Nasdaq and everything dropping. Gold usually does the opposite of what stocks and crypto are doing. So, or the S&P and Nasdaq. I shouldn't say stocks. I'll just say the S&P and Nasdaq. When the S&P and Nasdaq is dumping and Bitcoin's dumping, you will see gold 9 times out of 10 going up. Now, this is back up to this yellow line, which we marked up days ago. I do have a pretty large position, a limit order, not yet, at 100, wait a second, 101. So right at 101,000, I'm taking a buy. Limit order. So if it comes down there tonight, I have a position ready. Now, if we can't get above this yellow line, I would consider a short even from here, because I think we're coming down to 100K, but we could possibly come back up to 105 right here and then drop. I still think we're gonna come. I still think so. But yeah, I just want to make this video real quick. I'm gonna upload today's trading session. Our day was fine. It wasn't. We did good on NQ, and then we took a small short or long on Bitcoin and ETH, and then it pulled back a little bit. We closed them, and then we went short. Unfortunately, our shorts would have been way larger. We still made a decent little amount. Wasn't bad, but a little frustrating that I shorted Bitcoin at 107K and I got out. I set my TP at like 105, whatever, like 700 where this was, and then boom, it just went down to 102,800. I mean, I could have capitalized way more on that trade, but it is what it is, guys. I mean, that's the name of the game sometimes. And we could bounce from here, but I don't, like, I'm looking at shorts right now, like, we could possibly short from right here. Maybe. I'm not saying for sure take it. I'm just saying we could drop, we could reject from here, and we might be coming down to 100K. For you guys just tuning in, we're talking about the Iran and Israel going to war. So we have a major news event, a black swan event going down in the DM. So, alright guys, I'm going to get these videos uploaded to YouTube. If you aren't already subscribed to my YouTube, also follow the TikTok, and then also over on Twitch. We go live every single day and trade for, I go live every single day for you guys. Make help you guys learn and make money. We post the video, I post the video at the end of the day for that day, but you can join us live by hopping on TikTok, Twitch, and join us in the morning. 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern, every morning, guys. Come trade with me, come learn. If you want to learn how to trade, all you gotta do is comment down below in the video, or DM me on every platform. You can find me on Instagram, X, TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube, all with the same name, All In With Mitch, all one word, no spaces, All In With Mitch. Follow, subscribe, I appreciate all of the follows, and I'm here for you guys, just trying to help you guys, and let's get it, man. Stay safe. I don't recommend taking any trades tonight on anything. I don't care what you're trading. There's a lot going on, and we gotta wait till tomorrow to see. But I would not be surprised if the markets come down some more tonight, or even tonight, yes, but tomorrow, tomorrow as well. Okay, when the stock market opens up tomorrow. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all. Have a good night. I will see you guys in the morning. Peace out. All right.